Hi, my name is Christina Govinda, and today we're going to talk about how to make Halloween decorations out of household items. One of the great things about Halloween and other holidays is going around your house and finding things that you can use to creatively make decorations. Whether it's with your kids or by yourself, it can be so much fun making Halloween crafts. For this project, we're going to be making paper bats, and you're going to need a piece of paper for making your template, the paper for your bats, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. It's okay if you don't have the best drawing skills. All you need to do is be able to make half a bat. So I'm going to take this paper and fold it in half. And then on the seam, I'm going to draw my half a bat. I'm going to start with the head, drawing ears. And remember, this is your template, so it's okay to mess up and do it over. Once you've finished drawing your bat, we're going to cut it out. Taking your scissors, just cut along your line. Once your bat is cut out, you have your template. Laying your template down, we're going to trace around the bat. And for this project, I'm going to cut out 2 bats at a time. I'm going to fold the piece of paper the long ways, turning it over and cutting along your line. You can use whatever paper you have around the house. These are great for hanging on your walls and decorating tables or stairs with. They're an inexpensive way to get ready for the holiday. Thanks so much for watching.